Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to another video tutorial. Respected students and colleagues, today we discuss about important topic related to bacteria, occurrence of bacteria and size of bacteria. Bill Gates say it is a motivational quote. Technology is just a tool in terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them. The teacher is the most important. Let's start. Occurrence of bacteria. Occurrence mean वकू या मौजूदगी बैक्टीरिया की. Bacteria live everywhere. They occur in water, in soil and air. Some types live as saprophytes, while others are parasites on plants, animals and humans causing diseases. Some of them can survive in ice and others can live in hot water. They can form spores which are very resistant to drought. Resistant to drought chemical, important point, grace and temperature variation. Dear ones, remember one thing, bacteria present in specific environments like hot springs, alkaline, acidic soil. Alkaline and acidic soil basically क्या होता है? अल्कलाइन वो सॉइल होती है जिसमें pH जो है, पावर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन जो है वो अबव 7 होगी. ओके, एंड soil with a pH number below 7 is acid. A pH of 0 is totally acidic. For example, your stomach is very acidic with pH of 3.5 or below, so it can break down food. Highly saline environment है in highly polluted soils and water, etc. Size of bacteria. Different bacteria have different sizes. The size is from 0.1 to 600 micrometer over a single dimension. Bacteria are prokaryotic. In last video tutorial we discussed about prokaryotic single cell microscopic organism, generally much smaller than eukaryotic cell. Very complex despite their small size. They are able to communicate with one another through a process called quorum sensing. Meter are used for the micrometer for bacterial size. You may see in this diagram the metric unit micrometer. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है माइकोप्लाज्मा. माइक्रोप्लाज्मा इज द स्मॉलेस्ट बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट इन द जीनस ऑफ माइकोप्लाज्मा with the size of 100 to 200 nanometer. It is about the size of the largest virus, pox virus. Escherichia coli. Sometimes upper and lower case में हम इसको लिखते हैं E.coli और हम इसको इटैलिक में लिखेंगे. Also known as E.coli. Is a gram negative bacteria facultative anaerobic rod shaped. You may see also in this diagram the shape of the Escherichia coli is in the rod shape. Chloroform bacteria of the genus Escherichia that is commonly found in the lower intestine of warm-blooded organism, for example endotherms. रेडियन साइज हम इसके देख लेते हैं कि 1.1 to 1.5 माइक्रोमीटर वाइड एंड 2.02 to 6.0 माइक्रोमीटर लॉन्ग. एंड Escherichia coli may be motile and non-motile. Next, sporocytes. Sporocytes may reach 500 micrometer in length. It is a gram-negative spiral-shaped bacteria of the phylum Spirochetes. Spirochetes are long and cylinder bacteria. धागे नुमा आपने देखे होंगी स्पायरोकीटी, उसको हम कह रहे हैं कि ये लॉन्ग एंड सिलेंडर बैक्टीरिया है. दे आर टाइटली कॉइल्ड, may reach 500 micrometer length in length. Next, last but not least, a group of gram-positive bacteria that have a symbiotic relationship with surgeon fish. इसको हम कह रहे हैं, नेम जो है हमारे पास वो ये है कि फिश लिसोनी. These bacteria are known for their usually large size. You may see in this diagram, इसकी जो साइज़ है फिश की, ये भी बैक्टीरिया साइज़ में ही है, बट ये जो हम इसको नाम दे रहे हैं वो है फिश लिसोनी. May ranging from 200 to 700 micrometer in length. Dear ones, remember one thing in your examination point of view. आपसे एग्जामिनर जो पूछेगा वो ये है कि साइज ऑफ बैक्टीरिया एंड बैक्टीरिया अकरेंस. सो इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट वीडियो लेक्चर. एनी क्वेश्चन, एनी क्वेरी यू मे आस्क इन दिस सेक्शन बॉक्स. थैंक यू फॉर योर वॉचिंग. स्टे ब्लेस्ड, स्टे एक्टिव. अल्लाह हाफिज़.